Hello everyone. Today we are diving the world fashion beauty, Mahima Makwana. Mahima Makwana, the talented and versatile actress, has been known capturing her not only with her performance on screen that beautifully reflect her evolving persona. A true fashion aficionado, Mahima effortlessly navigates through various styles, leaving a trail of inspiration look in her wake. On her special day, let's take a journey through the style evolution of the glamorous Mahima Makwana, who never to fail make a striking statement with her fashion choice, from edgy pantsuit to dreamy gowns. She effortlessly nails every look with finesse and flares. So join us as we exploring her most captivating fashion moment. Mahima picture is a peach tone, coat set that ethnic touches. Mahima kept accessories simple with the cocktail rings and only as a natural makeup looks with her hair straight and center parted. Mahima Makwana is surely excited to take her fashion diaries ahead in a shimmery dresses, flirting her elegance. The actress was seen posing by the iconic London Bridge. Mahima stunned in a metallic copper dress, adorned with the shimmery dresses, paired with silver heels. This ensemble exudes sheer elegance and style. In the bursting world of entertainment, where every appearance is a chance to make a statement, Mahima Makwana undeniably stood at the premiere of her show Showtime in a striking green bodycon dress with her effortlessly elegance and impeccable style. Makwana captivated looker and left a lasting impression. This vibrant hue of the dresses perfectly complement Mahima radiant complexion, exuding confident and sophisticated. As she graceful, her made her entrance. The body hugging, silhouetted, accentuated, her perfectly enhancing her choice and allure. Apart from the visual appeal, Mahima Makwana fashion choice at the premiere show of Showtime symbolized more than just glamorous. It represented a bold statement of individuality and empowerment, knowing the theme of the show she starred in. As an actress who effortlessly embodies versatile on screen, Mahima Makwana fashion sense reflect her multiple personality. The actress always managed to captivating onlooker while rocking contemporary symbols with a sartorial choice. As she continued to charm audience with her talent and grace, Mahima Makwana proved that true beauty lies not only in what you wear, but also in how you carry yourself. And on the glamorous night at the premiere Showtime, Mahima Makwana undoubtedly slayed the looks, leaving a tray of admiration and inspiration in her wake. Mahima Makwana is known for her striking looks and maintained physiques. She has a tall, slender build that complement her modeling career. Her features including sharp cheekbones, expressive eye, and a radiant smile, which make her stand out in photoshoot. Mahima was born 5 August 1999 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. She grew up in a supportive family environment, which played a crucial role in her journey into the entertainment industry. From a young age, Mahima showed an interest in acting and performing art, participating in various school plays, local theatre productions. Mahima pursued her schooling education in Mumbai, balancing her academic commitments with her growing career in television. Despite her busy schedule, she managed to excel in her study, showcasing her dedication and time management skill. Mahima's acting career began at a young age when she started appearing in commercial print ads. Her talent and on-screen presence quickly caught the attention of casting directors, leading to her first significant role in television. Mahima's breakthrough role came with the popular TV show Sapne Suhane Ladakpan Ke, where she played the character of Rachana Tripathi. The show, which aired on ZTV, to broad her widespread recognition and acclaim. Her portrayal of Rachana, a young and ambitious girl navigating life challenges, resonated with the audience and established Mahima as a promising young actress. Another significant role that highlighted her acting skill and won her appreciable from both critics and viewers. In addition to her successful television career, Mahima made her debut film industry with Telugu movie Venkatapuram, where she played the female lead. Her performance was praised, making a successful transition television to films. Mahima Makwana is known for her grounded personality and close bond with her family. Despite her fame, she maintained a low-key personal life, focusing on her career and personal growth. She often shares glimpses on her life on social media, where she has a significant following. Mahima has received several awards and nominations for her performance in television. Her dedication to her craft to portray diverse characters have earned her a respected place in the industry. Mahima Makwana continued to explore new opportunities in both television and films. Her passion for acting and commitments to her work promise to a bright future in the entertainment industry. She is also interested in expanding her horizon by exploring different genres and roles, further honing her skill as an actress. Mahima Makwan's journey from a young inspiration actress to well-known name in the industry is a testament to her talent, hard work and perseverance. Her career tragedy serves as an inspiration to many young actors and fans alike. Mahima is known for her charming and graceful appearance. She has a pretty yet frame fit that complements her versatility role in television and films. Her appearance is characterized by a bland natural beauty and well-maintained features. She has a clear glowing complexion, often highlighted with minimal makeups to enhance her natural beauty. Her skin tone is warm and radiant, adding to her youthful appearance. Mahima's expressive eye and well-defined features are standout aspect of her appearance. Her eye, in particular, are standout aspect of her appearance. Her eyes, in particular, are often highlighted with suitable makeups to enhance their natural beauty. Her smile is warm, engaging, contributing to her approachable image. She has a dark luster hair that she is styling in various ways, depending on the occasion. To soft waves, elegance, updots. Her hairstyle complements her overall appearance. Mahima dressing sense is a mixed traditional and modern style. She effortlessly carrying like saris and lehengas with grains, while also looking chic in western outfits like dresses, casual symbols. Her fashion choice reflect her personality, blending elegance with contemporary trends. Mahima Makawan's physical appearance is further enhancing by her sense and how she presents herself, whether attending a red carpet event, promote daily life on social media. She always look polished and stylish. Her ability to carry different looks with confidence and pose make her a fashion inspiration of many fans. Her commitment to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, combined with her natural beauty, make Mahima Makawan is a notable presence in the industry of entertainment. So guys, here are some details of Mahima Makwana. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe Celeb Clip for more videos like this.